Alright guys, so here's our pasta sauce. There you go. Madali lang siya. It's very easy, quick and easy to make spaghetti pasta. Ayan siya guys. Yummy! Masarap! Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog! So today's video, we are cooking spaghetti for dinner. Yes. So, ayun guys, nagluluto na tayo ngayon guys. Ayan. I'm boiling my pasta and my sausage. So guys, ang ating sausage today, ang ating dinner. So, today is 3 p.m. Tuesday afternoon here in California guys. So, at maglagay din tayo ng zucchini sa ating spaghetti para naman medyo may kunting gulay sa spaghetti. At gagamit tayo ng Kroger brand na cheese. Ayan. 6 cheese pasta sauce. Ayan, yan ang gamitin natin na sauce sa ating spaghetti. Yes, bye! So, sana nagustuhan niyo ang video na to guys, and good afternoon, good morning, and good evening to everyone. Sana okay lang kayo guys, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're into this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more content in my channel. So stay tuned guys! Ayan. So dyan lang kayo. Alright guys, so this is our sausage. Smoked sausage. We bought this at Costco. So I have 4 pieces of smoked sausage here. So I'm just frying it. We cook it first, and then we'll add our vegetable once the sausage is cooked. So meanwhile, I'm cooking my spaghetti pasta here. Yes. So I put a little bit salt on the water, guys. Yeah. Madali lang siyang luto, and this is very fast. How to cook the pasta. It's very fast to cook it. Yeah. So I'm cooking early dinner guys. My husband, he's at work. Hinaan natin ng konti yung apoy para hindi masunog. And then, so habang nagluluto tayo ng dinner, ay naglalaba din ako. Ayan. Siguro tapos na yung labahan ko. Kailangan ko siyang ilagay sa dryer. But hindi ko maiwan ito, baka masunog. So mamaya na lang, tapusin ko lang ito. And then, pupunta ako sa laundry area. Ayan. Wala kasi kaming laundry inside in our apartment. So it's sharing laundry. Ayan. So, pagluto na to guys, once our sausage is done, and then I will add the vegetable, the zucchini, and then after that, the sauce. Yes. So guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya. I'll be right back. Diyan lang kayo. Guys. Malapit na siyang maluto. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. See you guys. Hi guys. So, ilagay natin yung vegetable natin sa sauce. Our zucchini vegetables. Our pasta is almost done. Hindi ako naglagay ng oil on the sausage kasi meron siyang oil. Then our pasta is almost done. And then we'll open our sauce, the 6 cheese pasta sauce, Kroger brand, kasi medyo lang siya, cheaper price din. Yeah, cheaper price. Smells good. Lot of cheese. Masarap siya guys. Very good sauce. So, our pasta is almost ready. Yan. So, when your pasta is ready, wala na siyang puti sa loob. So, it's all it's cooked already. Yeah. It's done. Kasi you don't wanna overcook the pasta. So our pasta is done. And then we're just gonna wait the sauce to cook. And we're done cooking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I-check ko yung lampre ko. Diyan lang kayo guys. Alright guys, so our vegetable is mixed with the sausage here. And then I will add our sauce. Our pasta sauce. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. So I'm just gonna cook for a little bit until the vegetable is cooked. Ayan siya guys. Hi guys! So, yung pasta natin, i-drain natin dito sa strainer. Drain our pasta. Nice. Be careful. Baka masunod ka. I-rinse natin siya ng konti guys yung pasta. Cold water. Konti lang para wala yung stickiness ng pasta natin. Not to, rinse. Konti lang. Ano lang siya. Matanggal na yun. Ang tawag mo nito, mix lang. Konti lang siya guys. Let it dry, and then pwede natin i-add yung sauce natin sa ating, yung sauce sa ating top sausage. Yan guys. Lagyan natin yung sauce. Sip some pasta, water. Oh, that's okay. Just put here. Shake yung sauce. Lagyan ng konting tubig. So you sip some pasta water. That's okay. Right. So lagyan na siya dito guys. Ayan. And then we'll add some black pepper. Alright guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang ating. Alright guys, so here's our pasta sauce. There we go. Madali lang siya. It's very easy, quick and easy to make spaghetti pasta. Ayan siya guys. And then, simmer lang natin siya. Just simmer the sauce until it's fully warm, stuff like that. And then I will add some pepper here. I have black pepper. And all my seasoning. Lagyan ng black pepper. And then maybe a little bit of salt. Salt here sa ating pasta sauce. Alright, lagyan natin back here na our pantry or cabinets for our seasoning. And then just mix it. Mix lang. Ayan siya guys. And then, tapos na ang ating pasta. Ayan. Simple lang siya, diba? Madali. Easy to make. But if you want to do homemade pasta, also you can, but there's a lot of work. Diba? So, bilhin na lang sa store that is already made. So, yeah, mix lang ng mga ingredients na hindi gamitin sa pasta. With a lot of vegetable if you want. I like to put vegetable in my pasta. Tikman natin guys kung masarap ng sauce. Mm. So, simmer natin. Medyo malamig pa yung pasta sauce natin. So, isisimmer natin siya ng low heat. And then, let's cover it with yung lid natin. So, isisimmer lang natin siya ng low heat. Isisimmer lang siya. And then, wala. Tapos na ang ating pasta. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more video like this in my channel, Jasmine Mary. The pasta sauce is ready, guys. Yeah. So let's turn it off. Good. Delicious. Gutom na ako, guys. I'm so hungry. And then here's our pasta. Lagay ko siya dito. Our mix the sauce later. Dito. And then maglagay tayo ng here. Pasta in my tikman natin guys kung masarap pa yung sauce na niluto natin. Okay. I'm so hungry. Ayan guys. So, kuha tayo ng sauce. Here. Pag magluto ka, super messy. Sauce everywhere. Para sa plate, just clean it up after. Finish eating. Guys. Lots of sausage. Lagyan natin ng konti. Yummy! Masarap! Ang init na yun guys. Super hot today. I think it's like 92 degrees. It's summertime. So, I'm sweating. Alright, tignan natin ang ating spoon. Looks delicious. So, okay guys, this is our dinner. And I think it's 3:30 right now. And so guys, tignan natin yung spaghetti sauce. Sarap! Alright, tikimang time! Whoa! Look at this! Alright, let's do this! Not bad. Not bad. Masarap. Tingnan natin yung sausage. Smoked sausage. Kaya, I'm sweating while I'm eating. Masarap guys. Kain tayo guys. Let's eat. One more bite. Mainit lang. Look, I'm sweating. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless everyone.